Hi everybody, this is Akash from SproutClass. In this video, I will give you a brief tutorial on how to set up your own academy in SproutClass.com. We type SproutClass.com in the address bar of our browser and then click on Start for Free button. In the Institute registration page, we enter our details such as full name, mobile number, email address, and password. We also need to enter the OTP that we have received in our mobile number. Here, we need to select a suitable name for our academy. This name can always be changed later. This is the admin or manage view page. As you can see, we can create courses, customize our institute, view calendar, and see payments and make changes to our profile. Here we can enter a suitable institute headline. And you always have an option to customize your domain. We can send invite to instructors and students. In the Themes tab, you can customize how your institute looks by setting your own logo and landing page background. We will cover these details in a subsequent video. On clicking the View Institute, we see the public page of our institute. This is the default view.